Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Should I put on my white shoes?
June 12th is 12/22. That's definitely my angel number, or one of my angel numbers. We're late for church, as per usual. What's new? You know, what's new? Starting the week off, new vlog.
Starting the week off, praising the Lord.
Absolutely. Because God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
Yes, He is.
So
So I hope-
that out if my stomach was alright.
I hope y'all went to church. If y'all believe in God. And if you don't believe in
I
God,
see something running.
still go to church anyway.
They ain't coming this way.
And get to know Him.
Yeah, I don't want.
Don't be late like us though. Be on time.
Keeping on time, God. Yes, He is.
Okay, Chris.
Oh. Who that? Damn, man. They ain't not church yet.
Alright, hold on, y'all. I gotta get myself situated.
Passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. Oh, I'm so into my love is blind.
Yeah. Yeah. No limit. Got that master beat. No limit, baby. You get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Yeah, that ghetto D girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than no. Just a nigga, you be my soldier.
Hey guys, we at the everybody.
That's real, homeboy.
What happened to Unique Nation? We are back in the video. Today we're gonna build my rubber.
Unique Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neek, and if you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join the family and become a part of Unique Nation. As y'all can see, we all dressed up. We got redeemed in the building. Wait, who we missing? Missy.
And that backstage singer.
And our backstage singer and production.
Production. The manager, when the manager is not there, I'm a stylist, whatever you want me to be. Book me.
Book her, okay? So
Lady Rain.
girl, so we taking photos, y'all. We gonna make this quick though, cause it's kind of hot.
I'm melting.
Okay, literally.
Hi. But England, that is beautiful.
Alright, that's cute.
Y'all look so pretty.
Checking me, I get at you. Hello, the limit on your love and call me. Girl, I know myself this way. And you must be used to these lame ass niggas.
What's up, Unique Nation? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Neek, and if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join the family and become a part of Unique Nation, where we have a great time over here. Might I add, okay? What's up? What's up, y'all? I have not been vlogging, clearly, as y'all can see. Well, I have, and I haven't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like on and off. But today is Monday, July 4th. Happy barbecue day. I'm on my way to Kroger right now because I have to pick up a few things. And so I decided to bring y'all along because we haven't been on a Kroger trip in a very long time. Let me apologize right now ahead of time. My lips are very much dry, but I didn't bring anything, so except my wallet. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. My parents are coming over, as well as my auntie Lily, which I don't even think y'all have ever met my auntie Lily before. Vlog. They coming over, and you know, just to chill, and we may or may not go over to the lake and fish. I talked to my dad this morning. You know, I hate when people make me miss the light. Like, you slowed around and made me miss the wait. Anywho, let me turn this air down because it's probably really loud. Sorry, but it's like, it's smoking. What was I saying? Oh, so we might go swim. I mean, not swimming. We might go fishing. I talked to my dad this morning. He was like, it's gonna be like hot around 1 o'clock, and I'm like, let me check the weather, and it definitely said 91 degrees. So I don't know, that's kind of up in the air. I hope we do, because I haven't been fishing in a very long time. But you know, we also not, you know, we're not trying to be out there having no heat stroke trying to go fishing. So yes, and then after we chill at the house, they're coming over to my house, and then after we chill there, then me and the girls, Kiki and Chris, Steen, if you know, you know. We're going to head over to Papa's house and chill with them. That's what the holiday is looking like today. Y'all get to see y'all favorite guy, Took, and Kobe, favorite guys. And Nia is not here. My child is gone, y'all. She went to Houston to visit her daddy, going on a cruise, so y'all won't see her today. Naima's birthday is tomorrow too. If y'all know my niece Naomi, her birthday is tomorrow. Her birthday's coming up. It's not today, it's tomorrow. I don't know why I decided to come to Kroger on the holiday. This is giving very much ghetto vibes. But anyway, there's a lot of people here. And I just need to grab like literally like a few things. Like, I'm not even trying to grab like meat, none of that. I just need a couple pops. And some paper towel, and that's it. That's all. But like, it's not even nowhere to park. You know what? I'm gonna just park right here. All right, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get inside of Kroger because I gotta park this car.
baby. We got some shots here. I didn't let it go nowhere. But just barely under the water.
What are those shots? Oh, okay.
You might want to put this one on you. You don't let it go down too far either.
Oh, okay.
Hold it now. Yeah. Hold it now. Once you start, you get going. On there too. Your mama got that way you throw it straight out.
Hey, Ma.
Hey, this is just beautiful. There's my daughters on the lake. God is good.
Enjoying the breeze.
Living the life. I'm gonna have to join them. We're gonna take my rusty.
Mine is crusty too with this sand.
And that's what you did before in the fish, y'all don't.
It got right in the ma.
It'd be like,
Uh-oh, you need more bait, boo.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We don't use more bait.
Caught another one.
It's my turn.
man, one more. We got a little one. Well, see, that would be 3 fish. That'll make a little one man.
You gonna keep them?
You need to put that in her bag for her.
You know. Key trying to keep all of them.
Yeah, we
She ain't got no hair on.
my hair.
No, they was
Not the smell good. You can do that.
What's up, Unique Nation? It's me, Toothy Kid from another channel, and we're gonna be popping some fireworks. So, hey guys, I Kobe, you know.
Let me see.
Don't stop that.
Oh, yeah,
I
here.
ain't paying for that. Don't
Give
stop
it here.
that.
Oh, that's liquor.
Nico, where's the lighter?
I don't know. I gave it to your dad.
Oh, my friend got the tickets for Chris. She said she'd give me 30% off.
You need to get some Malago.
She not work. She said she'd give it to me. She said she got one for 140. She paid 110 for it. A gallon, she said.
Malago.
Milagro.
Hey guys.
Where the Milagro?
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
Hi.
All right, well, get some.
I'm gonna get some tomorrow. Y'all gonna help me drink it?
Hell yeah.
Party at your house Friday. Friday night. Friday night. Oh, it's going down. Party girl. I ain't putting that shit to y'all ear.
Uh-oh.
Help us out. Help us out.
Help a sister. How we gonna get some Diego, y'all, Friday? It's called Diego or Dianglo?
Malago.
Milagro. Here we go, y'all. It's gonna be going down at Chrissy's place, y'all, Friday.
My place.
That is going down.
Why not?
Passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what Passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're true, there's something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like.
Ooh. Ooh.
I know how to do it, bro.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
I love cookie faces.
Okay.
You like,
Ooh. Hey. Oh, not the monkey.